Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi network problem guys. How can we solve in Oppo phone device? Friends, you have guys your phone Wi-Fi network problem. So how can we solve? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video, friends. Now let's see how can we solve Oppo phone Wi-Fi network problem. Friends, you want to solve guys your phone Wi-Fi network problem. So as you can solve, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, on guys phone system setting guys, system setting we will on. Then guys click on guys your phone reset setting guys, this backup and reset guys, reset phone setting, reset network setting guys. You can see guys your phone Wi-Fi setting guys, we will tap here to solve guys phone Wi-Fi network problem. So friends, you can see guys this draw your pattern log. So friends, you have guys pattern log. So friends, you will have to draw. After draw guys, you can solve guys your Wi-Fi network problem from here. The reset network setting guys, tap here to solve. Friends, your Wi-Fi network problem is solved. And friends, you can use guys your Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi was off guys, automatic Wi-Fi will on. And friends, you want to connect a network, so guys you can connect. Example guys, I will take this my Wi-Fi network guys. I will enter guys my Wi-Fi network password guys. I will enter it. After enter guys, you can see guys your Wi-Fi password. Oh sorry guys, wrong password. I entered. Tap again guys the right password. So guys, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect easily. So like that guys, we can solve guys phone Wi-Fi network problem. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.